Vocabulary quiz, set 10. As you are watching or listening to this video, make sure that you are pausing it to answer each question. Part 1 is matching. Directions. Match the word to the definitions by writing the letter in the blanks. 1. Shrewd. 2. Document. 3. Scuffle. 4. Blunder. 5. Justify. 6. Solitary. A. To give written or printed proof. So at this point you should pause the video and figure out where this one belongs. B. Being alone. C. To make a foolish or careless mistake. D. To fight or struggle with. E. When you make good or wise decisions. F. To give good reasons for, explain, or be fair or right. Number 7. Numerous. 8. Continuous. 9. Myth. 10. Dispute. 11. Convert. 12. Misleading. G. To change from an opinion, belief, or religion to another. H. To argue, debate, or quarrel with. I. Going on without a stop or break. J. To give a wrong idea, often on purpose. K. Many or very many. L. An old story that explains how something came to be. Part 2, we fill in the blank. In our word bank up top, we have documents, misleading, scuffle, solitary, justify, and numerous. Number 1. A blank broke out during the hockey game. 2. The advertisement was very blank about the price. 3. The house at the end of town has been blank for many years. 4. The police officer blank the speed of each person he pulls over. 5. She expected her son to blank his behavior. 6. Blank classmates came to the birthday party. In our next word bank, we have shrewd, dispute, myth, blunder, convert, and continuous. Number 7. A blank broke out at the school board meeting. Sorry about that. Number 8. The groom made a blank by saying the wrong vows. Number 9. The brain needs a blank supply of blood. Number 10. Do you know the blank about Hercules? Number 11. The lawyer was very blank in the courtroom. And number 12. The math teacher taught the students how to blank fractions to decimals.